Feeling overwhelmed by student loans, rising costs, and stagnant wages? You're not alone. Many Gen Zers and millennials are facing similar financial challenges. But there's hope. Here's a guide to help you navigate these tough times. 1. Understand your situation. Know your debts. How much do you owe on student loans, credit cards, day-to-day bills, etc.? Track your spending. Where does your money go each month? Determine your spending habits by using a budgeting app to help. 2. Budget wisely. Here are 3 very effective solutions. Prioritize your needs. Focus on essentials like rent, food, transportation, and utilities. Cut back on your wants. Find ways to save on entertainment, dining out, and shopping. Consider the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. 3. Tackle student loans. Explore repayment options. Consider income-driven plans or loan forgiveness programs. Refinance if it helps. Shop around for lower interest rates. Pay extra when possible. Every extra dollar you pay can save you money in the long run. 4. Save and invest. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Invest for the future. Consider retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes. 5. Increase your income. Find a side hustle. Explore options like freelancing, tutoring, or selling products online. Advance your career. Invest in your education and skills to earn more. Network and build relationships. Expand your professional connections. 6. And more importantly, take care of yourself. Manage stress. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a therapist if needed. Remember, folks, financial freedom takes time. Be patient, stay focused, and celebrate your progress. With the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome these challenges and build a brighter financial future.